What if you could get a Tonearm that normally lives on a turntable costing significantly more, factory fitted right out of the box, paired with a reference grade cartridge, a dual belt drive system, and a power supply that most people buy as a separate upgrade, all in one package at a price that doesn't require a second mortgage? That's exactly what Rega has done with the Planar 6 RS Special Edition. And today on Tech Egadget, we're breaking down every spec, every engineering decision, and every reason this deck is making serious noise in the analog world right now. Let's start from the ground up, because the foundation of any turntable tells you everything about how seriously the manufacturer is taking the engineering. The Planar 6 RS edition is built around a Tancast 8 foam core plinth, the same ultra lightweight material Rega uses across their upper tier range, but here it's finished with a brushed aluminum metal skin and high pressure laminate with matching edging. That combination is doing something very specific. It's giving you a platform that's simultaneously rigid enough to prevent flex under Tonearm tracking force and light enough to avoid storing and re-releasing energy as resonance. Those two goals normally pull against each other in turntable design, and Rega has spent decades figuring out how to satisfy both at once. They reinforce that further with what they call double brace technology, a structural system placed between the Tonearm mount and the main bearing hub that acts like a stressed beam, channeling unwanted energy from the motor and bearing away from the signal path. The result is a plinth that punches well above its weight class in resonance rejection, and it looks genuinely premium on the shelf with the smoked dust cover that ships as standard. Now here's where the RS edition starts making its real case. The Tonearm fitted to this deck is the RB880, and that matters because the RB880 is Rega's component for the Planar 8, a turntable that sits a full tier above this one. Getting it here, factory mounted and aligned, is the kind of value proposition that makes audiophiles do a double take. This arm is the product of nearly 40 years of Tonearm design experience, built using 3D CAD modeling with an aluminum vertical bearing housing and a stainless steel redesigned sleeve and vertical bearing shaft for maximum rigidity and mounting stability. The Tonearm tube uses intelligent mass redistribution to push resonance points outside the audible range, and the bearing assemblies are hand-matched for near friction-free movement. That last detail matters more than people realize. Bearing friction at the Tonearm pivot is one of the primary limiters on how accurately a stylus can track groove modulations, and getting it this low means the Nd9 cartridge fitted to it can actually do its job properly. It's also terminated with Rega's own low capacitance phono cables and high specification phono plugs, so the signal path is clean end to end. Staying on the cartridge for a moment, the Nd9 Reference moving magnet is hand assembled by skilled technicians and uses a fine line nude diamond stylus bonded to a boron rod cantilever. Boron is exceptionally stiff relative to its mass, which means the cantilever responds to groove variations almost instantaneously without bending under the load. The monocrystalline diamond itself has an exceptionally small contact radius, allowing it to trace micro variations in the groove wall that a standard elliptical stylus would round off and lose entirely. Rega's newly developed generator geometry is symmetrically designed, which directly improves channel balance between left and right, something you'll actually hear as better stereo imaging and instrument placement. Moving to the drive system, the 24-volt low-noise synchronous motor is hand-tuned to the included Neo MK2 power supply and now drives the aluminum subplatter through an upgraded CNC-machined twin-drive pulley using two Rega Reference EBLT belts instead of the single belt arrangement on the standard Planar 6. Two belts mean more consistent rotational force distribution, tighter speed accuracy, and less pitch wobble on sustained notes. The kind of improvement that becomes very obvious when you're listening to a held piano chord or a long vocal phrase. The Neo MK2 PSU itself is a serious piece of kit. It offers fine speed adjustment in 0.01 RPM increments, electronic speed switching between 33 and 45 RPM, and an anti-vibration motor circuit that further cleans up the signal reaching the platter. The platter itself is a 16mm dual-layer float glass design in Opti-White clear, and the whole turntable weighs just 5.4 kilograms while drawing only 7.2 watts. So let's talk about where this deck genuinely delivers and where you need to go in with the right expectations. The value case here is almost hard to argue with. You're getting RB880 Tonearm and Nd9 cartridge technology that would cost a significant amount sourced separately, bundled with a dual belt drive and a reference grade PSU at the Planar 6 price point. Speed stability is genuinely improved over the standard model, and on long orchestral passages or ambient records where pitch drift becomes noticeable, that improvement is audible. The build quality, the aluminum finish, and the included smoked dust cover all give it a look and feel that matches the performance level. On the flip side, this is a manual turntable with no built-in phono preamp. You'll need an external phono stage, and if you ever want to swap the Nd9 for a different cartridge down the line, you'll need alignment tools and some patience. There's also no USB output and no Bluetooth, so digital ripping and wireless streaming are completely off the table. And at its price point, this is firmly a component for someone who already knows what they're upgrading from. It's not an all-in-one beginner solution. Who is this for? This turntable is built for the vinyl listener who has outgrown their starter deck and wants an upgrade that's measurable, not just marginal. If you're already running a dedicated phono stage, a resolving amplifier, and speakers transparent enough to reveal detail, the Planar 6 RS Edition gives you a front end that will not be the weak link in your system. It rewards good downstream equipment and delivers a level of detail retrieval and speed accuracy that genuinely justifies the step up from entry-level decks like the Planar 1 or Planar 3. The Rega Planar 6 RS Special Edition is one of the most intelligently assembled turntable packages available at this price point. Not because it cuts corners elsewhere to fit the RB880, but because every component in the chain has been chosen and tuned to work together. If you're serious about vinyl and ready to invest in a long-term reference deck, this is exactly where that investment makes sense. If this breakdown gave you a clearer picture of what makes this turntable worth your attention, hit that like button. It genuinely helps Egadget reach more people who want real, spec-driven reviews instead of surface-level takes. Subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive, and drop a comment below letting us know what piece of hi-fi gear you want us to break down next. We'll see you in the next one.